Hi! Welcome to everyone! Our guide on how to obtain legal rights as a commoner. Legal rights are essential for all individuals as they are protected by law and ensure that basic human rights are not deprived. This video explains how to obtain legal rights as a commoner. First, it's important to know your legal rights. This means knowing the laws and regulations that apply to you. These laws may vary depending on your country, state, or region. Therefore, it is important to research the laws and regulations that apply to you. To do this, you can consult a lawyer, visit your government website, and read relevant publications. Second, if you feel your legal rights have been violated, you can take legal action. This means that you can file complaints and lawsuits against parties who have violated your rights. To do this, you will need to collect evidence to prove your claim and submit it to the relevant authorities. This could be a court, government agency, or regulatory body. To do this, you need to stay informed, join advocacy groups, and participate in legal campaigns. In conclusion, obtaining legal rights as a commoner requires knowledge, action, and initiative. By understanding your legal rights, taking legal action when necessary, seeking legal assistance, and acting proactively, you can ensure that the law protects you and your basic human rights are not violated. Increase. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful.